Is the silver screen merely a source of entertainment, or does it wield a more profound influence on the minds of youngsters? How does cinema shape the perceptions, aspirations, and behaviors of our younger generation? Beginning with the positive side of cinema, it acts as a window to the world, introducing youngsters to varied cultures, traditions, and lifestyles. It broadens their horizons, fostering a sense of global citizenship and empathy for others. Moreover, cinema can be a tool for education and knowledge enhancement. Historical events, scientific facts, and social issues, when depicted through the engaging medium of film, can ignite curiosity and deepen understanding. Furthermore, cinema often presents inspiring role models. Characters who overcome obstacles and achieve their dreams can motivate youngsters to strive for their goals and develop crucial virtues such as resilience and integrity. And let's not forget the artistic impact. Exposure to different cinematic styles and storytelling techniques can spark creativity, encouraging youngsters to express themselves through art, writing, or even filmmaking. However, this coin has a flip side. Cinema can also set unrealistic standards. The glamorized images and lifestyles portrayed can lead to body image issues and unrealistic expectations about life. Additionally, the portrayal of violence and aggression can have a desensitizing effect, potentially influencing youngsters to emulate such behavior. Moreover, cinema can sometimes present negative role models, normalizing harmful behaviors like substance abuse or bullying. Lastly, films can distort reality, misrepresenting societal issues or reinforcing stereotypes, leading to misconceptions and bias. The key lies in balance and guidance. Parents and educators can help youngsters discern between fiction and reality, guiding them to make informed choices about what they watch. Promoting media literacy, teaching youngsters to question and analyze what they see on screen, can empower them to distinguish between healthy and harmful influences. Encouraging open discussions about films can foster a deeper understanding of the messages being conveyed, helping youngsters navigate the cinematic landscape wisely. In conclusion, cinema's influence on youngsters is a double-edged sword, with both enlightening and misleading effects. By acknowledging this power and taking steps to guide its influence, we can ensure that our youngsters are better equipped to navigate the cinematic world, leading balanced lives while gaining valuable insights and inspiration from the world of film.